Hello, welcome to Enterprise Web Software Development Group project. So let me introduce the team members first. Prabath, Harsha D Wijendra, Abdul, Rassak, Udan, Fernando, Abiramie Udayakumar, Sameeha Farhad, and myself, Harsha D Wijendra. So you're looking at the initial screen of the system, which is a sign-in page. Two fields are defined in here, so you can use your username and password to sign in. Another two features in this initial screen is the remember me function as well as the forget password function. Um, so the remember me function is if the user select the remember me function during the initial login, uh, the browser will save the username and password, and that session when the user tries to log in again, they don't have to enter their credentials again. Forget password will let the user to reset their password if the password is forgotten. So let me go ahead and enter the admin credentials. Admin credentials are listed in the documentation of the group project as well as each individual project. Okay, so now we are in our dashboard. So on the top left corner you see the PIBT. So that is our logo for the this particular website. Next to that you get a hamburger menu. So the sidebar you see on your left hand side, it's actually you can hide it as well as you can it'll be visible depending on the hamburger menu. All right, so on the dashboard you can see how many number of students has registered into the system as well as how many course leaders and course moderators, how many courses. And on this window, you see a brief details of the user that has been logged in. So you see the full name of the user as well as the role of the user and username, email, phone, and the address. On your top right corner, you see the if you click on the drop down menu here, you can view your profile details here, change password, and you have the logout feature. Here you have the avatar of the particular user and again the user full name and the user role. Navigating into student. So student records can be fetched by selecting the type of class, and if you want to add a student, you can click on add student and you can define these fields to add a student. For example, name, guardian from this drop down list, and the date pick component, and the gender, and so on. And if the user wants to add a display picture, it can be done by uploading a picture located on your local PC. And username and passwords are defined here. So let me go ahead and click add student. So all of these fields marked in red color, are the required fields. So without filling all these required fields, the user will not be able to add a student. Navigate into users. So we have a list of users that we have defined earlier. So now taking this as an example, in this grid view, you can see the picture of the display picture of the particular user and the user's name, email, and the course reader. As the admin user, you have the ability to edit this particular record and as well as delete this particular record. From here, you can see select how many records can be shown on one page. In here, you have the ability to search a user by a name, email, and type. Let me go ahead and click add user. Before explaining this, so now one feature that we have implemented in our system is, so whenever you are inside particular web page, it will show you the location that you are in. So now in here it will see you have, okay, you have been to dashboard, and then you have selected user, and now you are in the add user page. So basically it's like a sitemap in the workflow. So here you can define the username. This is not the username that will be used in the credentials. It's just the user's full name. So again, the date picker and so on. So just like the student records, all these fields are mandatory. You need to add a particular, you need to fill all this information before you save a particular user. Moving to faculty. Again, as the admin user, you have the ability to edit, delete this particular faculty name, code, and the description. This is the add faculty. Faculty name and the code can be defined here, and these two are mandatory fields. So academic year can be added from here, and as the admin user, you have the ability to edit and delete a particular academic year. So once you click on course, it'll lapse to another tabs, which is course. If you select the course, you can see all the courses that has been added to the system, and these are two admin functions, as well as you can add a course on this page. So the course submission has to be once a course leader or a course moderator approves a particular course. So the email feature has to be done from there. So the course submission will be once the what do you the course submission page is still pending. We will be working on that. So mail, SMS. So these features are where you can define this email and the phone numbers that you needs to be forwarded with when there's an approval needs to be done. Navigating to the final page. So on this report page, so we have different criterias. So where you can select um, specify what type of a report that you want. So now, for example, if you select teacher report, and you can select the particular teacher, you can go ahead and click generate, and that will give you a report based on all the records that are in the teacher report. So likewise, you can select a report based on a student, and class routine report, balance report, and student mark report. So those are the main functionalities of a system, and the Git repository and the links to the Git repository and links to this website are provided in the Git project. Thank you.